There's me thinking I won't have to go in till about 8:30. Obviously I get called fucking in, don't I? It's sod's fucking law. So I'm currently on my way to work earlier than expected. But quite a busy morning, to be fair. Quite a busy morning. So riding in 4th gear like my life depends on it. Jokes. My fucking right away, you cunt. Fucking bell ends. Just couldn't be fucked to wait. I should have just sat in the middle of the road. Been a right cunt. I couldn't do that. I got too much on. I need to be fucking everywhere. Basically I got like a 30-minute SLA to get down there. You can tell I've been rushing because of the fucking fact I'm wearing just joggers. Where the fuck are you going? Come on, you can do your turn or what? Fucking hell. Ah, my foot got caught. Jesus Christ, like, if you're gonna go round the roundabout, go round the fucking roundabout. You didn't need to fucking stop. What was he expecting? Me to fucking pull out? Oh, fucking idiots, man. Fucking hell. Mental. As you can see, do not ride in fucking joggers and bare minimum shit. Come on, use your indicators. Don't use your fucking indicators, you fucking shopping trolley. Seems like they've graded the roads again, even though it was, I don't know, actually, tell a lie, it was probably I think it was as low as -1 last night. But we got nice sunny weather for it, I think. No, it's just the fucking engine and the wind blowing off the engine. It's not blowing or anything, although I do need to sort out. When it wants to, it can be quite a smooth ride. Just sometimes I think the clutch, like, I think the clutch and the bottom needs adjusting. Sorry, not the bottom, it just needs adjusting, because every time I pull it out it engages a bit to it, like, early. It's hard to explain. It's like, and either the last person just fucking magged them. They probably need new clutch plates, to be fair. Woo. Yeah, they probably need new clutch plates, to be honest. I can't wait just to fucking have some food today. I'm starving. I should have eaten, to be fair. So all this fucking wind in my face, man.